Hey there, Greg Marchand here. You want to build more trust with your automotive clients? Two things you've got to do. Increase transparency. Go see that video. And number two, be consistent. Human beings love consistency. If I, as a client or a customer, know what to expect every single time the phone is answered, every time you call me, every time I walk into your organization, I will increase my trust with you. If you get consistent and you're good to your word and you're transparent with the transactions, I'm going to trust you. All right? Remember what we say. Trust is a combination of an exceptional customer service experience and fixed right first time. All right? Go see what you can do to improve, not make, but improve. Clients already trust you, I get it. But what can you go do to improve trust with your automotive customers? Keep up the great work. Click that subscribe button and never, ever, ever stop learning.